Hello everybody. In this video we are going to create a students database system with use of custom classes. So let's add a new game object here and we will name it a student database. And then we will create a new script here. Okay, so first script will be for student, so let's add a student script, and the another script we want is for student database. So student database script we will add to our game object. So let's select game object, and then we will drag drop this script here. Okay, so now we will open the student script and we will program our database system. So this is a very important video. You can utilize this video for creating databases, so it will take some time. Okay, that's fine. Okay, now here we will just delete this mono behavior class because it's no longer needed, and here we will create a variables. So first variable for the student, we need public string name of student. Okay, name, s name we can say, for example, and or we can say student. Okay, like this is quite good. So the another thing, we will add first name. Okay, that will look much better. The another thing, we need last name, and we want student age. So we will say public int age of the student, and in database we also need public gender. For gender we can say string gender. Okay, these are the informations which we want to populate inside our database. So here I will show you the how we can create constructors as well. For constructor, we will create a public, and we will say student, for example, student, and then inside this we will initiate these variables. So we will say string, and we can say first. You can write first name, or only first is enough as well. After that we can say string last, and then we have int age, and then we have string gender. Okay, so for initializing these values, we will write here first this dot first first name equal to first. Okay, so this dot last name equal to last. this dot age equal to age, and this dot gender equal to gender. Okay, so now everything is fine. So for getting these information inside inspector, we will do here one more thing we will do. We will add system dot serialized. Okay, serializable. So now we can get this data inside our student database script. So let's move to let's open this student database script, and now what we will do, we will this will be mono behavior class. Okay, so because we have attached this to game object, so this we don't need mono behavior. Now here we will say public student, and then we name the first student. So for example, we want to add Ali. Okay, so now we have added Ali. So now here we will say in void start that Ali equal to new student, and here we will put the information of that student. Okay, so his name was Ali, its name is Ali, so here we will add Ali, comma, and his last name is Ali, for example Abbas, and the age is 22 years, and its gender is male. Okay, so that's great. Now this student is initiated. So like this we can add multiple students. So for example, we will just copy this, and second student we want Babar, third student we want Yasser, and here we will copy this line, copy, and then we will say second and third student. Okay, like this we can add multiple students as well, and in editor we can add students as well. So here we will say Babar, and 25, 27, and we will say Yasser. Okay, so like this. So also we can add other public students as well, and we can add them inside editor as well. So let's test this now inside Unity editor. So we'll come here, and inside, if we select this, you can see 3 students are added to database, and now these are not populated. So if we play the game, the details will come here. Okay, so now you can see we have these details. So for Yasser it's fine. No, first name Yasser is coming by because Yasser, and because we have added the Ali here only, so Babar, and and then Yasir. Okay, so now if we test then hopefully everything will be fine. So let's play the game, and now you will see that all data is populated. So now if we want to add data inside editor, what we can do, we can just create another student. So let's add another student, public student, and we can say Zahid for example. And now if we see this in editor, you will see that one more student will come, and we can simply extend and add data over here. Okay, so now we can add data inside our editor as well. So this is a very simple example of creating a database system with use of custom classes and constructors. That's it for this video. Let's meet in next video. Goodbye.